Hi, boys and girls. It is time for math. So if you've looked in your packet and gotten your math worksheets out, you're going to see a bunch of papers. And I bet you're thinking, what are we going to do? So our first thing that we're going to do is you should each have a paper like this one and like this one. Miss Barrett, what's on the circles in your paper?
My top circle says red, yellow, blue. My bottom circle says circle, triangle, square, rectangle, and hexagon.
All the shapes. And mine says large and small, thin and thick. And I'm sure you're thinking, what is all this for? Well, if you remember back a couple weeks ago, we got our shapes out and we had them on the floor. And we were sitting on the floor and everybody had a shape. And when we talked about if a shape was thin, if it was thick, how many sides it had, how many colors it was, if it's large or if it's small. Do you remember that we talked about all that? And we called them attributes. Attributes are different things about how it looks so that you can describe it and find it. And so we are using the attribute blocks today. And that is why we have all the different categories on our papers. And these are spinners because we're going to kind of play a game. Are you ready? So I know we don't have these kind of shapes at home, but what you're going to do is you're going to draw them on your paper. So everybody should have a paper clip with their packet. If you've lost your paper clip, you can find something that works similar. Put your paper clip in the middle, put a pencil on the dot in the middle of your circle, and then you can spin your paper clip around. Got it? So Miss Barrett and I are going to spin our spinners, find out which attributes we get, and then we will be drawing it on our piece of paper. See our blank piece of paper? You have one of those in your packet too. So instead of actually having the blocks with you, you get to draw a picture of the blocks. So when you turn your work in, I would like to see a page full of colored blocks. You ready?
All right.
Okay, Miss Barrett.
Here we go. I'm going to start with the colors. I'm going to spin it, and I got a line. Okay, here we go. Red.
Red. Okay, so we know that we're going to have a red shape.
Okay.
So you get your crayons.
Okay, so here we go for the shapes. Ooh, hexagon.
Hexagon.
A red hexagon.
Okay, very nice. And my spinner, oh, I got small. So we're going to have a small red hexagon that is thin. A thin, small red hexagon. Would you like to draw the hexagon?
Sure.
Will I find an example of one?
All right, a hexagon. Here we go.
How many sides does a hexagon have, boys and girls? You are right. It has 6 sides. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-sided red hexagon. And if you can, try to make it thin, because I got thin. And this is what that's what your shape will look similar to on your paper. Okay, should we do another one?
I think we should.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, here we go. I'm starting with my colors again, and I'm going to spin, and we had red last time. We're going to have yellow.
Yellow. Okay, we have yellow.
Let's see what shape we get. Rectangle.
Okay, a yellow rectangle that is large.
Okay.
And thick.
All right.
A thick, large yellow rectangle. And I have one of those right here.
So the way I'm going to display this as thick, I'm going to make the lines thick on the color.
Do we have a thick yellow rectangle? Yes, we do. And how many sides do a rectangle have? That's right, they have 4 sides, 2 long sides, and 2 short sides. Let's do one more. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay.
There we go. My color is blue.
Blue.
And the shape will be square.
Okay, a square, a blue square that is small.
Small.
Small. I was pretty excited about that, wasn't I? A small blue square that is thick. Here, let's go again. Thin.
Okay.
A thin, small. Do we say small blue square?
We did.
This set is missing some pieces. I only have a thick blue square, but that's okay. I will show you the small blue square. And how many sides do a square have?
4.
4 sides. So your square, your small blue square. So I would like you guys to keep practicing this because you don't know, you can get so many different combinations of shapes. So have somebody play with you. You can each take a page or you could do it all on your own. And you can see how many different combinations of shapes that you can get. I would like to see at least 5 shapes on your blank paper when I get them back, okay? At least 5. You can do more if you'd like.
We're going to put the number 5 up
You're gonna
here.
put the number 5?
I am.
Okay. And then we have some more attribute practice. We have 2 pages. First, we have this page of a circus. And I'm not going to color it in. I'll let you color them at home. And you might have to have a grown-up help you read the directions when you start doing it. Or you can come back and read it. Or come back and watch Mrs. Rogers read it to you. Okay? So it says, color all of the triangles green. So wherever you find a triangle in this picture, you're going to color it green. I see triangles on his clothes, on the horse, even in the ceiling, in the roof of the tent, there are triangles. You're going to color all of the circles red. There are circles all over. You color the circles red and make all of the animals purple. Got it? Green triangles, red circles, purple animals. Got it? Okay, our next page that you're going to be doing to practice your attributes at home. And it says, color all of the zigzags pink. So any shape that is zigzagging, you're going to color it pink. And put a small purple polka dots in all of the hexagons. Whew, wow, so the hexagons, I see some down here. Purple polka dots on your hexagons. Those will be cute. And then color all of the medium triangles green. Oh, I see some medium triangles right here in the middle. And color all of the straight lines orange. Got it? There's orange lines. So, pink zigzags, purple polka dots on the hexagon, small, oh, I missed one. Small yellow, small flowers should be yellow. Got it? And then color the medium triangles green and all of the straight lines orange. Miss Barrett, do you want to do that? It's a count.
Count how many clovers are in the grass. Color the correct number. Okay, so here we go. So right here shows a little patch of grass with 2 little clovers. So I look down here on my little numbers and I find the number 2 and I color it in. And I go over here and we'll do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clovers. So I'm going to find my number 5 in my little circles here and I'm going to color in my number 5. And just do all of them. There's 9 different boxes there.
And it is good practice for you guys. So I hope you have fun doing your attributes, and I can't wait to see your shapes when we get back. Have fun. See you soon for reading.